welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for anyone navigating the world of business, finances, depreciation. Understanding depreciation is crucial for managing your income tax effectively, especially if you're involved with MANNOE income tax and multi-services. So, what exactly is depreciation? Simply put, it's a tax deduction that allows businesses to recover the cost of certain assets over time, instead of taking a hefty write-off in the year you purchase an asset. Depreciation lets you spread that deduction across the asset's useful life. This means you can enjoy tax benefits while keeping your financial statements balanced. Now, let's talk about what can be depreciated. Common assets include office equipment like computers and printers, furniture, vehicles used for business purposes, and even buildings and improvements. Each of these assets plays a vital role in your operations, and understanding how to account for them can significantly impact your bottom line. So, how does depreciation work? Each asset is assigned a useful life, typically around 5 years for computers and 7 years for furniture. Each year, you can deduct a portion of the asset's costs using IRS-approved methods, such as the Modified Accelerated Cost Recovery System, or MACRS. This structured approach not only helps you manage your finances, but also ensures compliance with tax regulations. Here's a strategic tip for those of you working with MANNOE. Keep detailed records of your asset purchases. This includes receipts and dates, which will be invaluable when it comes time to file your taxes. Additionally, using depreciation schedules can help you track your deductions year over year. If you're feeling overwhelmed, consider investing in tax software or consulting with a professional to ensure you're on the right track. Remember, depreciation is more than just a tax term. It's a powerful tool that can help reduce your taxable income and manage your business finances effectively. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider following us for more insights and tips. Your financial success is our priority.